Labihan pa.
Ano kung gitawan ba? Make my beautiful face ugly. Okay, okay. Rose. Ha? Punta mo na krusa. Anak?
You want to...
Wow, yeah, I told you it's worth it.
I thought it was a little one.
Yeah, it's worth it.
You want them na
Later. Ang cake, kamu na ikaw na rin.
Ang cake mo guys, nandito mo nakalimutan.
Okay lang, ikaw na. Go, 11 pang pod. Okay, thank you. They will set up, guys. Kamang yan. Kamang dito lang kayo. Ako na maglubot yung isa din. Ako paglubot yung isa din mo. Ako pag sampot, tips. Lubot na. Nakiglubot sa tips.
Cake yung loyo. Yan loyo.
Ito na.
Wala ka dito. Ay, budot. Mama always outside. Mama always outside.
Ayan, muted kasi makapiright ako. Kasi sa TikTok yun na video. Ang galing gumiling ni G Sadel, guys. Tingnan nyo. Sana all talaga. Ako at sa Tifit, walang mga talent sa sayaw.
Sus, murag mga pagbatiki ba?
Picture tuloy na.
Lizard.
Ayaw na. Okay lang itong Chanel. Ito.
Okay, saan ka? Sugar, may itang ay sa dili. Picture sa ko niya na. Ay. Sugar.
First time nag-met, first time nag-met ng isa. Oh, di ba? Beauty and sexy lang kami pero walang talent. Joke. Yeah, totoo yan guys. Wala talaga kaming talent sa sayaw at kanta. Na magkapatid. Okay lang, at least happy.
Naisip niya niling ha. Ang wine.
It's from you, Anjisa. Thank you so much. You can just bring this. Salamat din. Bring this. Center.
Ala, Liam! Now, kaligid-ligid na si Jisa. Ako si Liam.
Thank you so much.
Oy! You guys I think like maybe I will put that back.
Liam, lihat.
Sexy kay Jessa. Diba? Red na red. With Axel. And BFF Dan. Oh, the cake!
Wow!
Red na red. Lian, don't make noise, Lian. Nalipay ka, kanina kadulak.
magkapatid na walang talent. Tingnan nyo. Muted kasi makapiright ako. With mama. Ang mama namin parang kapatid lang. Diba? Tingnan nyo. Yan lang. Mas nag-enjoy kami. Happy kami. Salamat talaga ako kay Ate Faith sa kanyang effort. Support para sa aming kasal. Nag-absent talaga siya, guys. Kahit busy siya, pumunta talaga siya sa aming kasal. Very supportive sister, Ate Faith. Ayan. Magkasando kami, guys. Ate Faith.
Yan o. Look at here. Who's here? Mr. Reggie Ponce TV. And it's me, Emer. So it's me, Emer. Hi. Yeah, you met me, Emer, already, yeah? My sissy. My sissy. Yeah. I'm so happy. Sama na.
Surprise.
Hala! Ay! Mayamanin. Surprise. Oh, thank you so much. My honey. This is my first time in my life that my sister gave me. I love you. My
Monica, you know how to want to buy?
Murag si Bebe G sa derby lang ko na ni ba? Managmugna ba? Kamu jud ba?
Gisugon ako si Iman.
It's Neymar. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Bebe. Thank you so much.
Riman. My dream man, my man. Honey, my love, my dad. Come here.
Honey, from Ate Faith. Look at
I give for you guys.
wow. Thank you so much.
That's amazing.
For money for shopping. Shopee. Shopee is life.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a nice gift.
Yeah. Yeah, all. But
My favorite flowers.
have your favorite flowers? Same. Yeah. Yeah, but the best gift ever is your presence here. Celebrating with us. Yourselves. Yeah.
Guess what? One of us have to spend our hair.
Happy. All the pain, all the sorrows, all the circumstances. Finally, sa pagsubok sa
1, 2, 3.
You like the flower? Ah, that's your favorite flowers, Liam? We're same. Huh?
The cake.
Ah, the cake?
Oh,
Okay.
it's after the cake.
Ah!
Waiting for somebody not to be around.
Yeah. After.
To be... Yeah, you have to...
This is my favorite flowers. Thank you so much, Ate Faith. Thank you so much. From Gisada, thank you so much. Okay naman ko na, anak? Oh. Okay naman ko na siya? Ito na. From Gisada, Lanaxel, thank you so much. Then, to cake. Guba na ngalan dayo.
Mom, my birthday?
Yeah. Why you are crying?
Natasha lang siya overwhelmed. We're 2 months down.
Why cry mo na, baby na ko? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Ma, this is his first time ever in life na Kapilsyag family.
Don't worry, I'm going with your family.
Yeah. Yeah, you know that. Lian! Wait sa... Yeah. Yeah, our place is second home of Jisa and for you, yeah. Because Jisa and Dan is BFF. They are BFF.
My home.
Don't cry.
I like it too.
That's tears of joy or tears of regrets?
I like it too.
Tears of joy is okay.
Yeah, not tears of regrets.
There's a
Love you. You're so happy. Love you, no. Happy ka na kung ano.
It's my birthday.
It's your birthday next year. I love you.
I will put the bagger nagging me na ice cream.
Sa ano? Ano mo sila sa?
Ew. Nagpunta ka na, inas balay. Guwapo lang.
proposal slide. It will transfer and hopefully you will test and then upstream. And as we celebrate today, we pray that you bless the food that nourish our body so that we can bless the Lord and enjoy this is about the gift of the Lord Jesus Christ our Lord.
Congratulations! Congratulations! What babay?
Ah, cake daw. Don't touch the flowers.
Then we got the cake.
Give me my camera. Ito only. No, that's balik. Balik at English. Other side sa plato. Balik.
Up! Yang hungit.
Ako na?
Hindi, lupa mo doon laman.
Get yours. No, not use your lang. No, use that one. Use this one.
Yan ang kamot ba?
Cross ang kamot. Okay, mo bite.
Yan.
Tama na. Yan ang wine po. Wine. What's the wine? Where's the wine?
Labihan pa.
Ano kung lugawan ba? Make my beautiful friend ugly. Okay. Cross. Ha? Punta mo na cross.
Ano sa teko, bro? Anak, galing mo. Ha? Anak? Ano ba ako? Korean.
Tigat silas na.
You want to...
Next time han.
Oh, give Lian. Focus Lian. Okay. Cake sa cake. Slice. Yay!
For here, next po ni Mami. Magsumo mo ko ay.
Punta.
Subuhi si Mami Ling.
Ngiti ko. Kanya yung ngiti. Ano? Ngiti si Mami, ngiti. Sige lang.
Sige, Mami po.
Lian. Lian. Wine for daddy. Daddy. Come here, daddy. Ngiti for daddy. Ngiti, daddy.
Congratulations, Daddy.
Yan.
Ay, Julio.
Get dyan.
Batong sauce ba?
Dito yun.
Pinakurat. Ketchup?
No. Mang Tomas? Kurat na ito.
Cake ramen ka na. You don't want to eat in. Wala ko nang kuha ng pork diya kay na may pig. Ako nang gipan. Lechon. PLB. Sweet couple, sweet couple. My godfather and godmother. Axel and Gisa.
The advice of Axel F.
The good advice of Axel. So, no more chances now. It's already married.
I think he will be very happy in the city.
Yeah. Just go with the flow na lang. Yeah, that's this one. You like this one? Mami Faith, Ate Faith.
Finally.
Sir Reggie, thank you. Bukid Squad. That's me, Mer. Lang mati mang. Sige master po. Magmamot klase good. Pag kayo kayo na, one ba? Gani mo kayo imong klase gabi, imong klase?
Nyakang ladan ka man ya.
Leave ko.
Ang ligaw, boy. Thank you so much. Lady John, lagi ka diri. Oh, mother. Ugma nga uli, sabay na lang ang kabaraan. Yummy cake, Liam.
Yeah.
Ako mangi ko ang choco moist.
Ano?
Try to me.
Oh, I like everything.
Ha?
Lechon.
What is this?
Pass mo na mo dito sa layo, makipakadali bitaw. Alang Steve, abot ay lahat? Steve papers? Already approved. Dugay man daw, basta dili daw ikuan daw. 8 months para pala ito abuton.
Naman nakita ba kung gusto ka pa? Pas ka sing 2 months.
Bati man ako. Sila siya, no? Sila siya. Sige sana may duha. So pud isa masilos pud siya na may isa. Pasabak ko siya nako kay gambing-gambing, masilos pud isa. Ang ganyan, masilos.
Kita man niya, sweet na kayo mo dito ng pungit.
Siya gusto siya. Siya ba ang nanay, bago siya nga siya ako ang anak, siya ako ang siya na tanan. Ngayon naman siya pandari ba? Gusto niya po nga isali siya, every time isali siya na mo siya ibigay. Ayang gusto. No, tanan. Gusto niya isali pa siya. Guwapo naman niya akong anak. Are you happy? Wala na ko picture ni mo sulo nga niya no. Wala na picture ang sulo. Lumor so many lots of foods and we can go home tomorrow, so no problem. Today is our day. Limited.
Yeah, break naman sa ano.
Limited ito diri ang pan. Time na tumahang. Kaon niya, din kaon.
Kumain ka pa mo.
Beti ba yung tinti din?
Kuya ni. Lagi mo magputang ka ni Red so nga kanang balat. Thank you.
Good accommodation do. Mabutan kasi.
Thank you. I love you. Isa po kasi ya. Isa po kasi. Adi ka tong isa. Kamot ba?
Yung sa tipo.
Kawayan kita. Pizza. Wow, what's this?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Bukan na open, beautiful.
Drama.
Uy, di ka na siya. Wow.
Wow, nice. We know you need tissues. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Jisa. Thank you. Bow. I told you, Bow, wala man Jisa. Because Jisa knows that we are lacking of this. Or utensils or...
Plate.
Plate. Also, plate. Yeah. Oh, thank you so much. It's your plastic plate.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Wala. Balong magpapakabistas, nagpapanggo ko rito kay. Ano naman kinuha ko nito ng paper? Wala. Siya may nasis na. Ako magpapalba, siya may nasis na. Ano ba, siya nasis? Pero hindi, ganito kasal ba? Bakit ilang pamay na kayo? Balik, ako palis.
Kahit namin din ako, panay pati ng tao. Oh, sunod, next sir. Dami kala ako dito ba?
Guys, lami kayong lechon guys. Oh, kalamiya kay guys. Kalamiya ka sa lechon guys. Oh, kalamiya ka sa lechon guys. Lami kayong lechon boy. Panit guys. Oh, lami kayo.
Lami kay gahi.
Lami kayo gahi. Kalami.
So yummy.
Kalami gid sa lechon. Lamion kayong kakaon. Yummy yung kumakain, hindi yung kinakain. Pero single. Single man na ako mamiti. Mabot ra in God's time.
Hindi pa yung kukurang niya.
In God's time. Na perfect. Sir Reggie. Kaon ba mo diya? Ni. Ikaw ma, bati ma. Ako mama, marag 60 years old this coming January. 60 years old na yan. Mag-senior citizen na yan, pero tingnan nyo, parang 16 years old. Parang 16 years old. Diba? Lady in red. Oh.
Bagay kay mamang ko na pilok. Barbie, marag Barbie.
Parang,
Sa mga anak.
uy. Ano po yung lady in red? Usog na sa ano, sa tail sa baboy?
Look, I show you something. My bra.
Oh, no!
Ano man na? Wala rin bra.
You're showing your secret?
Wala ka na. Tissue man to. Ano? Wala kay katungkuhan? Ano? Yeah, because she's not ready. Wala din na siya na-ready ba yan? Si sa boy kaayo taon ni si Bebe. Nagbiyahig layo.
No, it's not complete.
Sorry honey, I don't have something to show.
Unahin ko na lang kayo sa mga bashers dyan. I'm sorry guys, I'm not prepared talaga. Wala akong ibang dress and also wala akong yung...
Yeah. Also si ano si Gisa hindi din ready kasi nag-travel pa.
Sa Batayan kasi kami, walang kalan, layo. Walang
Malbuan.
Ay, Malbual guys, sorry. Sa Malbual kasi kami. Kaya walang handa.
So, importante ang bride.
Gawapan. Gibayot yung maguna ko ang bride kanina. Ako may nag-makeup sa bride, ni mama, ni Chisa, ako.
Thank you so much.
Habang nag-online class ko,
Yeah, nag-online class. Multitasking talaga itong sister ko.
nag-klase
May
ko
klase
guys,
to.
nag-work ako. Nag-makeup ako sa kanila habang nag-klase ako.
Yeah, that's why I'm so lucky. Having
Ayoko-
sister,
ayoko rin
Ate
marami.
Faith. Thank you so much na you gave. This is the
Sabi
best.
mga chef namin, nagulat. Kaya ko ba daw ano yun? Knowing.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, you deserve it.
Salamat.
So, you cry, gani. You cry, yan.
I'm a tough man. I'm a tough man.
But you're crying.
Ihag ko niya, nila ko.
Nilak siya. Nangana bitaw siya nga na-feel niya ang family dahil mo. Ba nga best sister jud daw ka. You give us time. Very supportive. Best friend, Baby Chisa. Great. Bakit ako yun na. Higap karma.
I can't go because there's water on the road and park car.
Excuses. That's only excuses. Excuse only.
Go on your head. You're the gift. You're the gift.
Yeah, you're the friendship.
We'll give you a place.
My restaurant.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good food.
What's this?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Napagka na-open, beautiful.
Drama.
Uy, bigyan na siya. Uy! Wow!
Wow.
Wow.
Nice. We know you need tissues. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jisa. Thank you. Bow. I told you, Bow, wala man There's one more. Because Jisa knows that we are lacking the or utensils or...
And plates.
Even plate
Plate, also a
Please
plate.
don't.
Yeah. Oh, thank you so much. It's your plastic plate.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you, Seth. Plate, then bowl. Good, thank you. Jisa bowl.
Yeah, we're lacking.
Yeah. Yeah, but thank you.
So when you both have gifts, you both have a gift that benefits you. Yeah.
Uy, I have evidence. I have video. He said that. My favorite color is red.
All men say their favorite color is red.
Huh? Ringon lagi siya ganyan. Red yun yung color favorite. Dito ganyan ba yan? Date. Ay! Kasweet mo na ay. Wala, grabe kainit man. Uy, mapagtong na. Masunburn. Where's Lian? Look at guys from Ate Faith. Tingnan si Axel guys. Be, gahart-hart laging mataan ng isa. May in love dyan nagbalik ba? Muling ibalik ang tamis ng pag-ibig. Lian! So hot there, Lian! Isnabot kang duha.
Yeah, go swimming. I need to pee. Not some one or lifeguard.
Nay, tagbantay. Lami.
The cake is red, the wine is red.
All is red.
Okay, is red.
Yo!
Over naman na. Hindi na nag-isaw. Back to
Doing rose toast.
Rostos, dede. kiss daddy. Makaon.
Ama.
Tank. Sarap ito. Mabak. Be.
Thank you. Bili na ko ba? May kinimo mo kung sila sa kay baba din lips. Dali ka mo ba? Masulog yun. Kay gilong kayo no.
Ako ganit. Mayo kay mutila si Jisa. Jens.
Yes, ako mo siya ba?
Pakisi ko be kay ako nga naon si Dan unya.
Ikaw? Talawang nga huwag bak nga karon tulog kay painga.
Kailan na si Jisa na? Kailan na sa jud ko?
Ay, puti pa po dali. Kana nang mayo po.
Wag.
Di mo na ato. Di mo na
Kasi-
kay magsukang ko lang ha.
Supa.
Bukaon ko, basta nag-shower pero wala.
Di ba siya?
Ew, sige lang shower shower ang murag buang.
Kay ano na luwa na yon. Isulto ba na ko nila no? Pero ako na ko, buyag.
Diyan duga to na.
Buyag.
Di mo magbaka. Dili po di.
Pwede man, ang subla ba? Ay, huda. Tunga. Honey, I asked Jisa how to lick. How to. I don't know, Jisa.
Ana mo na siya una ana ni mo na.
Tumoy-tumoy.
Yung sakay na tukan.
Tumoy-tumoy yun.
Mura ka katulong sup-sup ka to pinalito mo silba.
Kaya bigitan sa laptop kayo sa taas.
Apa rin po itlog, hugawan. Ito mabalibo mo, sakit sa tumipon.
Ako sa gabalik mo pala ng yagya.
Wala man basin ba? Nabi rin ko na.
Grabe, wala na mo balbasin.
Di gani kayo kumutanaw, ha? Ha?
Yang gikan sa yang
Sulubot, grabe ba na ako, no? Bira.
Ano di, sabi mo apila lubot.
ang babalik ko ano nang sila nung niya surprise nang mayo.
Surprise.
Sila lagi dito.
Basta shower, magsuka ko ko.
Lagi.
Di.
Tingala jud na lagi pag. Oh my god, I know.
Palitan kita kung Jisa. Gusto ko tawag na kanji rin.
Yawa kay kay size.
Kaya kung size na ko, extra small.
Inanaray kong lingga pa.
I'm watching you. What? You understand what you're talking about? You're talking something. Huh?
I want her to lick the rose.
Inaling. Second ko for yung niya si mga bata.
See? Mama?
Ako mamina.
Gusto ka magkuhan, ikaw, na ebidensya na di ka ng witness? Witness na.
Kamay mo ba? Pasado dito wala.
Witness daw, witness. Witness daw na ko na niya sa among honeymoon. Si ate. Yan, Giting, ano na kami guys. Lalayas na.
Next summer. Maybe we'll just get my color.
It's good here. Malbol Tropics, no? Malbol Tropics, yeah. Ang ganda dito, guys. I'm very satisfied. The place, everything. Huh?
Everybody happy.
Yeah, everybody happy. I'm happy for you and Jisa also. And Liam. And you are here.
You're so happy was when you married each other. Holy crap, that's number.
I wish happy until forever. Then, I wish happiness is until forever.
She's saying that it's only downhill from here. It's the first time she said.
Sana all. Yeah, so nice.
Just wait for you.
Sige, thank you. Yan, ganda dito guys. Kung gusto nyo mag chicken dito.
Access with before sir.
Yeah, but I'm gonna be sweet again.
Ang sa to, be, ang marriage be, just for the beginning, be. Sweet.
For you. Never noticed.
Oh, sweet. You hear that? Kikilig, kikilig. Yeah.
After that, and then like, I got what I need today. I need to cut again.
I told you. Yes. Nagigwa na nga tayo. Kikilig, bitches. Liam. Got butterflies, kilig. Si kilig is English?
Got butterfly.
Got butterflies like kilig. Yeah. It's nice here, guys. Malbol Tropics. Liam, you go home na, Liam. Ayaw ni Liam umuwi. Si Liam, paano sila umuwi? Si Liam, dili po si Jisa, bilhin na din. Mag-enjoy pa, enjoy. Liam will never go to his daddy.
Oh, why? Mama's boy?
He's a mama boy.
Yeah, mama's boy.
Staying with me from Friday to Monday again. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Next time, don't call me. Don't show him that you're calling.
Enjoy
He can. He can. Oh, you got drunk already? Just to drink.
You're just thinking of beer and you get
Yeah, yeah.
Practice in the wrong way.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the back.
You know what?
I'm calling for him.
Huh? Single, ready to mingle.
Tell that to Jessica. She gonna put it to work.
Single, ready to mingle.
Shy.
Nah, yeah. Enjoy later.
And no money mana.
No money, no honey.
Sir, you need money? Can you drink? You have money?
No worries, si Dandra. No worries for Dan.
Offering to pay me. Okay, I'm good with that.
Dandra, Dandra.
Mom, don't worry.
Dan. Go back with drink also.